Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore all the core functions of our Roof Wizard software. In a recent Feature Friday, I dealt with how to apply custom profile flashing to any selected flashing or trim line. And the purpose for using custom profile flashings as an option is that it produces this drawing to show everyone what I want and how I want it made. And it can be used as an order form for your shop, showing the material to be used and the finish and the length of each segment and etc. So how do we get that in there to be selected in the first place? So let's just do a file new, and the way to do that is to simply draw the lines. So line insert free, and I'm going to start off at 0, 0. And I'm going to draw a line. If I zoom right in, I'm going to draw a line that is say 25 mil across and 25 mil up. Okie doke. And now I want to go the next segment. I want that. I'm just going to go up 90, and then I'm going to go right, say 120. I'm making this up, so it could be. Whoops, not that big. 120. And I come down, say 150. And then I just want to come out about 25 mil, and I want a bit of a hem on it somewhere there. Let's say that was the trim that I needed them to make. One of the things to emphasise what's going on with the job is to make the lines fatter. So what you can do is CAD edit, change line, and I'm going to change the line weight so it's nice and fat. It tends to look a whole lot better when you do your report if these lines are really a bit thicker. It looks better in the report. And the other thing that's often useful to do is, I think this works the best, is if we just draw a little sort of arrow thing that shows the fabricators the side that I want to be the painted side. So if that's the custom profile flashing we need, we simply go up to Setup, More Custom Profile, Create, and I need to give it a name, and I'm going to call this Parapet Cap 120 by 150, and we hit OK. Now follow the prompts. It tells you exactly what to do. So now I'm going to Parapet Cap 120. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. So first, that line will be segment A. That line will be segment B. That will be segment C. That will be segment. Whoops, missed it. Segment D, and that line will be segment E. And I'm not fussed about the hem. They know what to do with that. So right click out of there. Charge rate I don't know yet. I'm going to exclude the labour by default, but you could put a labour rate in there. And you can also set a minimum maximum length so you don't get stupid short pieces in the. So I might say I want nothing less than a metre, and I can't put anything on my truck anything over 8 metres, so I haven't got a big enough truck. So I hit OK, and that's now saved. And at this point you could also add accessories, clips and screws and sealant and pop rivets and what have you, but that's for another day. If I hit OK, that's now ready to use. So if I pull up one of my jobs and open up a job here, this one I was playing with earlier, and now when I go to cover flashings, yes, and for my parapet, go up to custom and select a different parapet cap, and all the way to the end is where it saves it. Parapet, no, it's in alphabetical order. It'll be Parapet Cap 120. That's the one we just defined. I'll have one of those, thanks. And there it is. So except that it knows the girth of it, it knows 4 bends and a cut and a price and anything else you need, and I hit OK, and that's ready to use. So simple as that. Takes a bit of practice, of course, like all of the good things in the software. There's a little bit of setting up, but once you do, it pays off quick smart. All right, that's it for Feature Friday for this week. Have a great weekend, and we'll speak to you again next week. Bye for now.